Hello all, a very good morning to everyone. Let's speak about dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Before explaining about Alzheimer's disease, let me speak about dementia. Patients often ask me two questions. The first one is what is dementia, and the second one is what is the difference between Alzheimer's and dementia. According to Latin meaning, dementia is nothing but one who loses their own mind is called as dementia. So let's make it even more simple. Dementia means nothing but one who loses their cognitive function, predominantly their memory, and other cognitive domains like understanding, visuospatial ability, psychology, behavior gets affected. And now the dementia is like an umbrella. There are different types of dementia. The first one is vascular dementia, and the second one is Alzheimer's dementia, and so on. And 70% of the cases contributes this Alzheimer's dementia. Mainly the two common signs involved in Alzheimer's dementia. The first one is short-term memory, and the second one is visual spatial ability. Short-term memory means nothing but for example, what I ate in the last night, what I had in the previous morning, what I had today in the dinner, what I had today in the breakfast. These are all comes under short-term memory. My temporal lobe is responsible for my short-term memory. Visual spatial ability means nothing but, for example, if I tend to eat my favorite food in the favorite restaurant, maybe there may be a problem in some navigation and some problem like I may forget the place, I may forget the route. So it's all comes under this visual spatial ability. Now let us come to the treatment. There is no medication for Alzheimer's disease, but physiotherapy plays a major role in the Alzheimer's disease. I tried with my patient. Hope you too try this method. I will explain what I did to my patient. Previously, I treated one Alzheimer's case. She improved a lot. I used to ask her what she had in the last night. I used to give some project, like I used to give some homework, what I had in the last night, what she had in the yesterday morning. And I used to ask her to mention in the notebook. And I used to give like 1 to 10 numbers and animal names, fruit names. If she can communicate easily, then you can go with this some project. If she patient cannot communicate, then ask her regularly. For example, ನಿನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ಯಾರು, ನಿನ್ನ ತಾಯಿ ಯಾರು, ನಿನ್ನ ಸೊಸೆ ಹೆಸ್ರೇನು, ನಿನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ಹೆಸ್ರೇನು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಹೆಸ್ರೇನು, ನೀವೇನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಇವತ್ತು ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೆಮರಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಆನ್ ದೇರ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೆಮರಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಏನು ತಿಂದ್ರಿ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ತಿಂದ್ರಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ತಿಂದ್ರಿ, ಟುಡೇ ವಾಟ್ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್. ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಹರ್ ಟು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬುಕ್ and continuously repeat what she had and regularly follow this, keep on check this. Definitely then their temporal lobe will get activated and they start improving. My patient improved a lot. I tried this method. Definitely you too try. Definitely there will be a lot of improvement, trust me. Come to Aunty Lil. Don't worry about Alzheimer's. We are here to help out you. Thank you.